3 years ago, I started a body of work based on stripes. The stripe is quite an interesting motif because it underlies lots of other forms of art and design. I started to do these stripes repeatedly on very, very long sheets of paper, so 10-metre scrolls. I've since made hundreds and hundreds of stripes in various different iterations. As I was working on the stripes, I began to think about a summer job I had as an undergraduate student working in a factory, where one of the jobs I had to do was to pick out pips and stalks from a conveyor belt of raisins. So, using the title Sifting for Pips and Stalks, I've developed now a whole body of work that I will be exhibiting very soon. And it shows, I hope, some of the relationships between my labour as an artist and the kinds of labour that might take place in a factory or an office or elsewhere, and asking what is the value of labour and repetition.